So Felix, it's great to have you here in Davos at the World Economic Forum. So a lot of people are talking about your topic is number one on every agenda. Is it on the one side? Are you energized because it's so great, or are you a little bit of, let's say, frustration because it's just talking and no actions?
So what we saw now is that quite a few big names have now thrown their weight, at least verbally, behind our goal of planting 1 trillion trees globally. We've got Mark Benioff, the CEO of Salesforce, trying to drive this and trying to get his partners on board. We've got the US president that has announced that the US government will join the Trillion Tree campaign. And we've got quite a few other people that have said positive things about tree planting, including the vice premier of China. So those are positive initial signals. Now, of course, the next months truly matter, in which these announcements actually turn in concrete action plans, how forests are going to be restored. And what's essential that we don't forget is that tree planting alone cannot solve this problem. It can only be valuable if at the same time we drastically reduce CO2 emissions all around the world. And of course, this is our main message to the US government as well. Tree planting is fantastic, but the top priority for the US government must be to remain in the Paris Agreement and to reduce their carbon emissions.